mundo at ang nagbabalik teleserye na si Angelica Panganiban.
Kamusta ang hot step? Ano bang kinunan yung eksena today?
Today, mga flashback. Kaya ganito.
Dalaga pa ako.
The new roads are now here in the Hot Wheels City. Just like a Hot Wheels restaurant town, just like that. And they have a Mr. Squats and a Mr. Squats.
Dito sa
There's
ginawa
more.
namin, dito sa The
There's
Silent
flipping
Noise,
of this.
lahat talagang loaded yung mga eksena.
Tema Who Done It ang The Silent Noise, isang mystery drama na susundan ng mga manonood kung sino ang pumatay. Sa seryeng ito, ang karakter ni Mylene Dizon ang misteryosong namaalam.
Yes, this is a whodunit. It's very the script.
It's
and
ready
who's,
to be
we
Hot
know the
Wheels
story. It's very
City
that's one of the
Road.
reasons why I accepted the
They
job.
use a scotch tape,
Nadagdag
the
hamon sa
light one,
proyekto ang
so no
paggamit
one
nila
can
ng
see.
sign
They
language.
usually use a
Dahil
flashlight.
deaf o may kapansanan sa pandinig
Look
ang anak nila Angelica at Zanjo.
Ang technique nga is learn, tapon, learn, tapon, learn, tapon. Parang, kasi
Are you
after
ready?
every scene, may aaralin ko
Coming
naman.
soon!
What's difficult, hindi siya per word. Kung konsepto siya. Is here we have to say the line and sign at the same time.
Mapapanood na simula yung video ang dalawang bagong episodes